Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play Cyberpunk 2077 on your Meta Quest 3 so you can experience the streets of Night City in a full immersive virtual reality. While there is no official VR mode for this game, you can easily set it up using a high quality PC and a special mode created by the community. To get started, you will need to download and install the real VR mode by Luke Ross, which is the most stable and popular way to bring cyberpunk into the world of VR. Once you have the mod files, you should extract them directly into your Cyberpunk 2077 installation folder, specifically inside the bin and 64 directory, where the main game launcher is located. After the files are in place, you simply run the batch file provided in the mod folder to automatically configure the game for your headset. For the actual connection between your PC and the Quest 3, I highly recommended using Virtual Desktop because it handles the heavy processing of this game much better than the standard Air Link or Steam Link. You should make sure your PC is connected to your router via an Ethernet cable and then you are using a fast 5 GHz or 6 GHz Wi-Fi connection to prevent any stuttering or lag. Inside the game, you will need to adjust your settings to ensure a smooth experience, since Cyberpunk is in VR is extremely demanding even for a powerful computers. You should go to the graphics menu and enable DLSS or FSR set to balance or performance mode, which helps keep your frame rate stable as you move through the city. It is also a good idea to turn off intensive features like volumetric